Hi, it is Monday, September 23rd, and it's still fall, but it's a little bit warmish. Yeah. So welcome to week 5 of our NSP course for the creative spirit. This is Bread and Circuses. And I'm here to talk to you about your final project. The first step in your final project is due this week. So I have gone to Canvas. Let me go ahead and click back a bit. I've gone to modules, and if you will go to week 5, jumping around a little bit, under week 5, right, the Big Apple to the Big Easy, so looking for New York all the way to New Orleans, we are on the final project, and that is due, the first step of that project is due September 25th. That's Wednesday. So let's get going. This is not a difficult project, but you do need to give it a little thought. 2 things I want you to do. First off, identify 3 of the goals for the creative spirit, 3 of the objectives for the creative spirit that you want to explore in your final project. It could be any of the 3 that we have on the list. We have 6 altogether, so pick half of them, whichever 3 you want to do. Then find a venue, find an event, a space, a place, an idea, a concert, a celebration, a festival, and let that be your final project focus. If at all possible, explore, I'm suggesting, a current example of city-supported arts or entertainment that helps to define the identity or culture of the city or community. Right? So find something that helps to really tell us about the community that supports it. You may use your out and about project if you found that helpful. You may use your creolizing project that you're working on, I hope, on graffiti, if that's something you want to do. But consider things like concerts, public gardens, bike paths, museums, performances. Some of you have identified churches in your out and about assignment. Those are just fine because almost all churches that I'm aware of enjoy a tax-exempt status. So that means that when it comes to taxes that might normally be paid for, roads or plumbing, city water, roads, police department, fire department help, there's a real good chance that they enjoy, as compared to, say, a business, some great tax exemption. So that is in itself taxpayer support, right? So that's okay, right? So if you have, for example, enjoyed talking about the cathedral in your out and about project, feel free to use that because it is one of the identifying features of the city of Wichita, for example. So just to recap, this is going to be 1 page. Please keep it short. Identify 3 of the objectives for the creative spirit as noted in your syllabus. Explore a current example of city-supported arts or entertainment that helps us to define the identity or culture of that city or community. You can use stuff you've worked on before. In fact, I'm going to ask you to build on what you've already done in other ways for this project. And please try to find some place that's supported with taxpayer dollars. So, explore your venue. Write a couple of sentences about it. Identify 3 of the creative spirit objectives that you think you could explore through this venue. And then submit it all by September 25th. That's the goal. So please get that done. If you have any questions at all about this project, feel free to email or call. Otherwise, have a great night. I'm off to grade more gladiator papers. Have a good one.